so excited to be sharing with you our Cuisinart ice cream maker. This is the brushed chrome 2-quart capacity, and they actually make this model in this one, which just has the on and off switch, or you can get it with the screen on top that has the countdown timer. And we love the Cuisinart ice cream maker so much that we actually bought one that is the 2-quart capacity, which is what you see here, and we also have one that is the 1.5-quart capacity. There's nothing like making homemade ice cream. It really does not compare to anything you could buy in the store, and I'm actually going to show you how to make it and how to use it. There are so many different things that you can make in this ice cream maker, a lot more than just ice cream. It comes with this instruction and recipe booklet that has tons of recipes. It's super easy to use and it's really not bad to clean either. In the book you'll find tons of ice cream recipes, gelato recipes. You can make frozen yogurt in here, sherbets, and even drinks like slushies and margaritas. And there really is nothing compared to making your own homemade ice cream. And I'd like to show you how to make the simple vanilla ice cream that only has 4 ingredients, and this will come with your recipe book included. And what's really nice about this is you can customize all of the ingredients to meet dietary restrictions or dietary needs. You can certainly swap out the sugar if you need sugar-free. And you can definitely make a lot of dairy-free options in here. They all taste great. I've tried them the regular way and the healthier version, and I've always had a great result using this. So it's super easy to use, and before I start making the ice cream, I just want to show you. This is the bowl, which you would need to freeze in the freezer overnight, so it's all ready to go. This you just insert in there, that stirs the ice cream. And then this is the cover, which just sits on top. So now once everything's in place, all you need to do before you pour your ice cream mixture in there is just turn the machine on. So as the machine is on, then I can pour my ice cream mixture inside. So it will only take about 20 to 25 minutes to form. This is what it looks like right now, just after pouring it in. Turn the machine off and unplug it, and this is the result after 25 minutes of running. So now I'm ready to scoop this into my ice cream container. Let's pop the lid off. Perfect ice cream consistency. As you can see, the ice cream is completely solidified. And another tip is that you can add any mix-ins as you like. If you want to make birthday cake ice cream, you could chop up some cake pieces or put brownies in here. You just want to chop them up and throw them in as the ice cream maker is running on the last 5 minutes. So now all of my ice cream is inside the container, and you could certainly eat this right away, or you could freeze this for an additional hour just to make it more hard. And this is just so much fun for the whole family, whether it's adults making this or children. Everybody loves this. I really can't see buying ice cream anymore because I just love making it myself. It's so simple to use. And then the freezer bowl here, the cover, and this plastic piece that stirs the ice cream. All of these you just want to hand wash with warm soapy water, and just don't use anything abrasive so that none of the pieces get scratched. We absolutely love our Cuisinart 2-quart ice cream maker. It's so much fun for the whole family, so easy to use. And if you would like to get this model in the basic on and off switch, or if you'd like to get the version with the digital countdown timer, I'll leave a link below for purchasing. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.